Welcome back to the channel. Today's going to be an update video on the Rx8, the budget track day / road car build. Today we are fitting these new Tein coilovers. I can't remember exactly what model they are, but they are mono sports. Not sure if you can see from there. A coilover that will hopefully be a good balance between street driving and track work. Yeah, so out with the old suspension, see, looking pretty rusty and rubbish, and in with the new shiny green coilovers. As you can see, we've got the braided lines on there that I fitted in another video. We're also replacing the anti-roll bars. We don't have the new ones yet. We are removing the old anti-roll bars now to make way for the new ones when they finally turn up. So, what other stuff have we got going on with the Rx8? Well, for one, it's very dusty in here. As you can see, there's quite a lot of dirt on the Rx8. Looks disgusting. And that is because it's had a little bit of work done to the seal. Unfortunately, we had to buy a complete new seal for the side of the car, just for this rear panel. In true Mazda fashion, it had gone completely rotten underneath, so now we have this nice replacement seal panel. And in addition to that, we will be replacing the seal on the driver's side because it's rotten in quite a few places. There's quite a few holes in it. So we'll be ordering another complete seal and repairing that at a later stage. So yeah, unfortunately, if you buy an Rx8, be prepared to have to spend a bit of money or at least time repairing the rust. I don't know what they make these cars out of, but it's not the highest quality metal, I don't think. Another thing that we've fitted, so we've got the Coilover rad in there. Hopefully that should keep things cool on the track. Another thing we fitted was this black mesh just to protect the radiator from stones or debris, and again the same with the oil coolers, because we don't want to lose an oil cooler or lose oil or coolant due to getting a stone or something in there. And one more thing was this alley under tray. We've replaced the standard under tray with this alley panel. So the reason for making this nice shiny alley under tray is because the standard one has side panel bits which kind of go up there on the sides, and they were catching on the radiator and the new braided lines. Again, with braided lines which go from the oil cooler to the engine. Which we had to fit. We had to fit the new braided lines due to the old ones splitting and leaking. Apparently that's quite common for the Rx8s to do that. So instead of buying an off-the-shelf kit, we got the parts from Goodridge and we made our own, which was pretty straightforward and easy to do. And obviously gives you the option to route the cables, route the hoses however you want. And also gives you the option of choosing the colours for the fittings that you're using as well. So yeah, definitely recommend Goodridge stuff. Yeah, what else can we say about the car? There are a few bits on the interior that have been done. Cool, so inside we have this really nice Longacre battery isolation switch with push button starter and like a fuel cut switch as well. It's only in a temporary location at the moment. It will be fixed and secured with an alley panel at some point. The steering wheel boss has arrived. Again, this is a temporary steering wheel until we figure out what steering wheel we're going to run on it. But yeah, HKB boss kit. The rest of the interior is obviously stripped at the moment. Looking quite empty. A lot of wiring and stuff which could be tidied up. This is the red top battery. It's a Varley red top, secured in place with their bracket and riv nutted through to the body of the car. Yeah, so obviously all stripped out in the back as well. We are yet to weigh the car, but as soon as we get the coilovers on, we'll need to do a corner balancing or corner weighting setup, and just get a rough idea of how much it's weighing now, how much weight we've shaved off. Would be good to know as well. So yeah, obviously we'll update that when that time comes. So yeah, that concludes this little update of the Mazda Rx8 project. Yeah, stay tuned to the channel for the next video, and there'll be more updates, more stuff to fit, more parts, and yeah. So yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.